Hey, Ingrid here from Open Journey. I was gonna do a few very simple entries. And I had a few questions on how I'm gonna do simple entries without a whole bunch of mixed media, which it's fun often to do, but sometimes there's no time for that kind of involvement. So I was gonna show you how I'm gonna start. So again, these journals are on Redbubble. My account, I think if you look for Ingrid Blixt or Open Journey journals, you'll find them. Also there's I'm gonna link them as well below. In the previous video I kind of punched out tabs out of this note, artist note. So actually I'm gonna use the header here, the title. So I'm gonna cut this out because I know I want to use it. You kind of round the corners if you wish. I'm not yet sure how I'm gonna do this. I'm glad I didn't cut into the L there. In the digital pack, you get some of these cool backgrounds. So I really love this image. This image is one of my favorites. Actually, I have this on postcards as well. And there, what I have written, I wrote underneath the rocks. It's pretty much Psalm 18 too. And here I have says, I love you, Lord, my strength, my rock, my fortress, my deliverer. And this is Psalm 18, like 1, 2, I think, verses. So I really love this image. I have a smaller version. I just printed on paper from this. This I printed on sticker paper. I'm not gonna use it. I made it just a little bit smaller so it fits here. And I love the white, and it's just very peaceful. I have a gray Liquitex ink here. I was looking for my fountain pen. And Psalm 18, the Lord is my rock, my fortress, and my deliverer. But it does start, Psalm 18:1, I know it starts with, I love you, Lord. You are my strength. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, what else? How beautiful is that? I love you, Lord. My strength. I think that's so beautiful. So I'm gonna use that there. I have living stones here. Maybe a smaller one. Yeah, smaller rock. And I could even label this my rock, which is God. My rock. Yay! I like that. So this is the first page. I just want to do a first page, like when I open the journal, and then I'm gonna do other entries. I'm just gonna glue everything down and work from there. So as you see, it's pretty easy. I'm just working with this, and of course we know God is our rock. but you know, hearing it over and over, it kind of has to be etched in our minds, because I'm struggling with this here. I did it though. God. And of course that rock is not my God, but it stands for, you know, God's strength. Kind of God's, He's immovable. God, my rock. Kind of like that cross from that washi. From the washi strip. So some of these washi's, 8 of them, they're all different. So 8 of them come with the kit, with the Living Stones kit, and 8 of them come with both the kids kit and the add-on. I didn't mention that last time. I just said the kids kit. Okay, so for now, this is good enough for me. I was gonna use the little rock stamp. All right, from the little set. And I like how they have printed on the plastic, because then you can just put this and see where it would look good. I think I would like that right there, a little bit off the page. There we go. So this will be my first page. I didn't want to glue too many things on it, because then when I turn pages and I work on this side, I didn't want it to be too uneven, so I can stamp. I love using stamps, and these stamps are so cool that come with this kit. And here I will do a first entry next.